Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So I used to do quarterly reviews on all the products that I tried and reviewed, and I just don't have enough to do quarterly. So being that it's semi-annual time, middle of the year, let's go over the products that I reviewed and that I liked. I'm not going to talk about the products that I didn't care for. I'm just not going to talk about them. I'm just not going to put them in here. But there's no need to talk bad about them because they might work good for your hair. So my hair, what worked best on my hair this year that I reviewed, again, I have dry, coarse, curly hair, and I have a lot of it. So, you know, I did just do an Olaplex treatment, which definitely helped with the dryness that I have in my hair. But that's just natural. I can't do anything about it. And now that summer's coming, the humidity is starting already. But anyway, just going to talk quickly about some products that I reviewed. And we're going to start with the ones that I like the most recent, because that's just the order that I have it in. Okay, Keratin S. I believe that was an air drying cream. I just did that video. And you guys, if you know me, you know I'm not a hair drying person. I don't like to air dry my curls. But this product actually looked okay with my hair air dried. You know, it really depended on the day, honestly. But I do like this product a lot, and I liked it when I diffused it. So if you're not an air dry person but you want to try it, it's a good product. It made my hair look really, really, really nice. And if I do choose to air dry, I know that my product will dry okay with this. I just personally don't have patience to air dry, but again, you don't have to only air dry if you use this product because it's good. Tresemme Flawless Curls Mousse. I did use this in the past and I liked it then, and I wanted to try it with my shorter hair, and I still love it. I still love Tresemme products. I haven't been using them this year because I reviewed them last year, so I always want to review new products. I bought it anyway, and I think I do remember it worked best with the Tresemme curl cream or something else. So a little cream with that mousse probably would have been better, but it's fine with it alone. And yeah, again, mousse is good for giving you a light weight feeling in your hair instead of heavy down with the cream. Dove Leave-In, loved it, loved it. They have a curly hair product just for curls, and it made my hair curly, soft, beautiful. I remember when I first filmed it though, I think I was getting my period, so I feel like my hair didn't look as good in the video, but when I've been using it since, it looks great. It's just depends. I can't use products during a certain time of the month, but the problem is now that I'm going to perimenopause, I just don't know when that time is going to come. So, but that is a really good product. It gave me soft curls. Rhyme and Reason Curl Leave-In Conditioner was so good. I do remember that, and I use that one a lot. It's a big tub, so it's great because I have a lot that comes with it, and whenever I'm going somewhere lately, I've been using this to know that I have a good hair day. That's how good it is. Curl Wow Shook for curly hair. That was a fun product. I don't know why. It just like was a fun bottle, and it made my hair look really good. It made my curls defined. There was no crunch to it, so I really did enjoy that. It had a spray bottle, so I think I probably just took off the top because I need a lot more than just a little spritz. Liked that one. Wow, I look back to that video, my hair was so short. Curls Blueberry Bliss, I retried that one. It's also an older one that I did a video on a long time ago and that I absolutely loved, and I still like it, so I'm going to recommend that. Function of Beauty Leave-In, I believe I got that at Target, and yeah, worked great for my curls. My hair looked good, and I would recommend it. Cantu Curl Activator, I guess I reused that because that's also an old one years ago that I found in my cupboard, and I brought it out again, and I did like it. I just don't think you need to use as much as other products because it's thick. Suave Luscious Curls, yes, I love Suave products for my hair. I just do all Suave products. Just make my hair feel really good and look good for a really cheaper price. Eva NYC, yes, I did like that. I always like the products from Eva NYC. This was another good one. Curl Wow Dream Coat, I redid that video. That was like a video I did years ago that like that a lot of people, you didn't use it right, or I don't know what the big deal was. Like, I loved the way it looked at first, and then it didn't stay in, so I told the truth about that, and people, I guess, didn't like that. But I had no problem. My hair looked great, and I did it again, and my hair still looked good, and it even lasted in the rain. So I think it's hard for me because that's a very thin, it's like almost a water consistency. So for me, I just think that creams work better, but that definitely did work good. It kind of makes my hair less full feeling. And for those of you who have a full head of hair, you know what I'm talking about. Like, your hair just doesn't feel as puffy. Miss Jessie Pillow Soft Curls, that was a Miss Jessie's that I haven't used yet, so I had to try that. And I will say it was probably one of my favorite Miss Jessie's products thus far. I have a ton of Miss Jessie's products, and I honestly can say I love them all. Some of them are a little too strong of a smell, whereas this one is a much lighter scent. Like, you know, it's not a horrible scent, but it's just too powerful, some of them. But this one does not. It has a very light scent, so for that and it works just as good as all of them. So I love it. It's probably my best Miss Jessie's. This one kills me. NYX Chicks Hair for Days. I had that in my cupboard, again, I'll call it, too long, over a year. And for some reason, I didn't think it was for my hair. I don't know why, but I said, let me try it. And oh my God, it was like the best thing for my hair. And I loved it. I loved it, loved it. I don't even know if I have any left in some of the bottles. I used a lot of it. But I loved it. I love that product. For years, NYX Chicks Leave-In Conditioner has been my favorite. Maybe still is. I don't know. I'm trying to stay away from it because I need to really try other products. But that was like my number one for a long time. The NYX Chicks Leave-In. But that I had reviewed a long time ago. This I'm talking about is Hair for Days. I really woke up with my hair still looking good, and that's like a never for me. Pattern, I do like that. It made my hair look really good, but going back to the scent, I don't know if I can handle the scent. It was very powerful. Too powerful for me, but it did make my hair look good. So if you can get past the smell, not saying it's a bad smell, it's just a powerful smell that will stay with you all day. And my hair carries those scents. So that's why I like a good smelling product, because it stays with me. Anomaly, I did like this a lot, and it's just another great product for my curl. Ah, that's thunder, my house is shaking. But yeah, that's my video, and I think I'm gonna have to end it before my power goes off. If that happens, I will cry. But anyway, I am glad that you guys helped me figure out what products I should try out. Keep them coming, keep suggesting products that I try. I'm always looking for something new. I tell you, I go into Target and CVS now, and I'm like, try. I've tried all of these. I've tried so many of these products. I'm always looking for something new. So keep them coming. I'm looking at another new product I have to do a video on. So they're coming. They're still coming. They don't come as often, but they're coming. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.